together as one Caribbean, we're not just building a better tomorrow, we are sharing our roots, our stories, and our strengths with the world.
I do hope that the various collaboration that were created will continue. I was pleasantly pleased with the support gained from the Tobago Hotel and Tourism Association, the Pigeon Point Heritage Park, TPAC, TTAL, the Tobago Festival Commission, students, teachers, staff, other stakeholders, and you, the general public.
Our partnerships forge our future from our past. And as we continue to strive for a sustainable tourism product, we desire to connect with our communities, to connect with our people as we build a sustainable, strong tourism product.
Our tourism celebration 2024 is a reflection of our life, our legend, our heritage, and a resourceful people, a nation and a Caribbean people that are inextricably linked to our cultural beliefs and our practices. This has informed the way we live, celebrate, and appreciate all our excellence in these very many places.
Our roots are deep and they ground us, and every connection we make with the world strengthens the future we're building together. Tobago, connecting our roots, sharing our world.